What are some of your favorite books that have created shifts in your life?
My favorite authors, not only just books, because some of my favorite books are from philosophers where I'll just take excerpts from them. But my favorite philosopher, the number one person, number two, the two most important people that I've read are Krishnamurti and Osho. They are philosophers that both of them are no longer alive, that taught me that life is about the present moment, and that it's not about being happy, it's not about being sad, angry, upset, that emotions are just present tense. You experience them and then you move on. And by being able to stay present, that's allowed me to be able to be focused on where I'm at the moment and give 100% to each moment, making me a better father, a better husband, better chiropractor, nutritionist. And when I'm in the gym, I could center all my focus and just be the best athlete for me that I can be.